Unit 4, Great Minds. Recording 1. 1.
How much do I have to pay?
2.
Can I park here?
3.
We must visit her before we leave.
4.
We don't have to stay in this hotel.
5.
She can't wear that.
6.
You mustn't tell anyone.
Unit 4. Recording 2.
Professor Morris, we're looking at learning and the different ways in which people like to learn, and one of the things we can look at is the type of learner. Is that right?
Yes. Research has shown that there may be many different types of learner. But one way we can look at this is to divide people into two groups, holists and serialists. Now, most people will probably use both approaches, but often we find people are quite strongly one or the other.
Holists and serialists. So, what's the difference between the two?
Well, students who are serialists like to study taking one step at a time. They look at a subject or topic and work through the different parts of the topic in order.
And holistic learners, how are they different?
The holists are very different. They like to have a general understanding of the whole topic, and they find it easier to study and learn if they have an idea of the big picture. They don't worry so much about the detail.
Oh, that's me. I think I'm more of a holist.
Are you? Well, you see, that's quite unusual.
Unit 4. Recording 3.
So, tell me a little bit more about the serialist. You said that they like to learn things in sequence, in order.
That's right. So they start at the beginning, and when they feel they've fully understood one part, then they're ready to move on to the next part. But it's very important to them that they understand the detail.
OK. These are the kind of people who always read the instructions before they try a new piece of equipment or machinery.
That's right.
And what about the holistic learners?
OK, well, a holist never starts learning about a topic at the beginning. They jump around and get lots of information. So they might pick up a book about the topic and choose a chapter in the middle and start reading there.
That's like me. I choose the bit I'm most interested in.
Exactly. But a serialist learner will start at the beginning and read each chapter in order.
That's very interesting. What about writing? Is there a difference there too?
Yes, absolutely. A serialist will make a careful plan of everything they have to write and then begin to research each area. But a holist will read about a lot of different things and have lots of bits of paper with notes. Then they will try to put the different pieces together when they begin writing.
That's very true. There is paper everywhere. I think my tutors at university would like me to be more serialist.
Yes, that's probably true, although I don't...
Unit 4. Recording 4. 1.
Why don't we go to the cinema tonight?
That's a good idea. Do you know what's on?
2.
I don't think you should buy that car.
You're right. It's too expensive.
3.
I think we should organise a party.
I'm not sure that's a good idea. We're too busy.
4.
Maybe you should say sorry. I suppose so. I'll call Louise later.
5.
You shouldn't play so many computer games.
You're right. I need to get out more.
6.
I think you should study more.
I suppose so. I want to do well in the exam.
Unit 4, Recording 5. 1.
Why don't we go to the cinema tonight?
That's a good idea. Do you know what's on?
2.
I don't think you should buy that car.
You're right. It's too expensive.
3.
I think we should organise a party.
I'm not sure that's a good idea. We're too busy.
4.
Maybe you should say sorry. I suppose so. I'll call Louise later.
5.
You shouldn't play so many computer games.
You're right. I need to get out more.
6.
I think you should study more.
I suppose so. I want to do well in the exam.